end of 2024, between Christmas and New Year. Not sure if I'll get another ride in before the end of the year. It's been a pretty big year for me though. Got a much better job, and we finally bought a place of our own. Got a nice big shed. It's got a double shed and a single shed. Older house. It's in pretty good nick. Just been painting, usual stuff you do when you buy a house. I've got plenty of room in the shed. I'm hoping to get a lathe, drill, grinder, that kind of thing. Set up a bit of a machine shop. Might even set up a second channel for doing that sort of stuff. Got my eyes on a very old lathe. I don't know how practical it'll be. It looks cool. But yeah, whether it's any good or not, it's another thing. I might go and have a look at it. Better show you the new tyre. I've got the Motoz Tractionator Rallz. Yeah, I decided to go back to the Tractionator Rallz. Very similar tread pattern to the Adventure. I think it's for me, it's much better off-road. A few people don't seem to like them. But I think it's better than the Adventure, and I'm getting the same mileage. So yeah, why not? Costs the same. And I've got the Desert HT on the front. I really like these tyres. Oh yeah, the radiator. I noticed the fork's hitting the radiator guard. And if you look there, you see those welds are broken. So yeah, that's no good. This mount just hooks on and it kept coming off. I ended up drilling and tapping a hole and putting a bolt in there. So I ordered a while ago, it got sent, and it just says hold up in delivery. So what does that mean? I don't know when it's coming. Anyway, I'll just cool off a bit. I'll just have a bit of a break, then we'll hit the road again.